This is Price Mixing It Up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. There. You say whoop whoop. Breakfast burritos. Hey y'all, it's Price Mixing It Up in the house. We're doing some breakfast burritos today. I would say we, but it's me. Hey, that's the tortilla heating up. Got some scrambled eggs here. We got some tater tots for the potatoes. We got some American and mozzarella cheese that I grated. And I'm using pork bacon. So there's one. And we're going to roll these babies up. And it's very simple what I'm doing today. Oh, guess what? Surprise guess. Zucchini from the garden. Yep, just steamed it up a little bit. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. Can you say woot woot? Short video, just showing you what I'm just doing. Impromptu cooking here. Doesn't take a lot of planning. Okay, this is your ingredients right here today. I did that bacon in the oven. Yep, throw that on the griddle. Can you say woot woot for these breakfast burritos? Here we go. All right, loading that cheese on. And I'm just gonna use my hands. They're clean, y'all. I'm gonna put some bacon in there. Okay. I'm just gonna do the bacon like that. I'm not gonna crunch it up, right? And then I'm going to go back and smash these potato tots in here. Or maybe I'll just leave them whole. Right? I'm going to do about 7 of these. So I'm just going to do like 3 tater tots. I want to do excessive cholesterol. It's already enough. Right? Just something small. Okay? And that's pretty much it. Oh, the eggs. Huh. Here we go. So it's a small little, to roll that up. There's another little piece of egg. I'm doing one hand here. Camera work, look. Okay, look, there you go. You want some salsa on it? Get you some salsa. Okay, this will be mine since I got my hands all in it. Okay, breakfast burritos. Woo, can you say woo?